Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a Game Pass link in Roblox. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and tap on this Create button. This will take you to the Creator Hub. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply select your experience where your Game Pass is located. If you only have private one, select that. So inside here from your left hand side, scroll below until you find passes, tap onto it, and here you will then be able to find all of your passes that you have created. Find the pass you want and then click onto it, and then look at the URL in your browser. That URL is your Game Pass link. You can copy the entire URL and share it, or if you just need the Game Pass ID, it's the number shown in the link between Game Pass and the Game Pass name. And that's it. Now you know how you can get your Roblox Game Pass link or ID. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.